In a quiet and elegant beauty clinic, an experienced beauty doctor, Dr. Maya, is preparing to clean a large blackhead on the face of an elderly patient. The patient, Mrs. Rainey, is 68 years old, but still cares about the appearance and health of her skin. As she gets older, Mrs. Rainey's skin becomes more susceptible to skin problems, including stubborn blackheads. Dr. Maya carefully put on sterile gloves and began to gently clean Mrs. Rainey's face. "Don't worry, ma'am, this won't hurt," he said in a gentle voice, trying to make his patient feel comfortable. He used a sterilized blackhead extractor tool, using slow but sure movements to remove the large blackheads that had been bothering Mrs. Rainey for a long time. Mrs. Rainey's face was a little tense, but she had full confidence in Dr. Maya with mature skills and experience. Drive. Maya ensures that every step is carried out carefully so that Mrs. Rainey's skin remains healthy and avoids irritation. When the blackheads were removed, Mrs. Rainey could feel the difference in her face cleaner, fresher. After finishing, Dr. Maya cleanses the extracted area, then applies a healing serum that soothes the skin. "We need to keep our skin clean and hydrated, Mom, to stay healthy," he said with a smile. Mrs. Rainey smiled in relief, feeling lighter and more confident with her face now looking cleaner.